Everybody, Assalamu alaikum. In my first class of class 9th, today my topic is polynomial. What do you mean by polynomial? How to solve a polynomial? Polynomials. Any expression which is of the form of an x raised power n minus 1 x raised power n minus 1 plus so on plus a1x plus a0 is called a polynomial if power n greater or equal to 0, that is n should equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Power should be non-negative. Non-negative means the whole number which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This expression is a polynomial, not otherwise. Where an minus 1, so on, a1 are coefficients. a0 is constant and x is variable. For example, 4x square plus 3x plus 9, there will be no equality because polynomials are expressions. Number 1, number 2, 3r plus 1 is again a quadratic polynomial. Third, 7 is again a quadratic polynomial. Is again a polynomial. Here you can say me where is a variable. बच्चों हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 7 is equal to 7 into x raised power 0. You know x raised power 0 is equal to 1. So इस पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगी. अब मैंने वेरिएबल भी लाया है, उसके ऊपर डिग्री भी लाई है 0. 0 is a whole number, non-negative number. So this is a polynomial. For example, मैं आपको बोल दूं ये polynomial x में है और ये जो polynomial है r में है. यहाँ वेरिएबल r है, यहाँ वेरिएबल हमने x रखा है. चौथा एक और ये दे दो एग्जांपल. 3y square plus 5y raised power 5 plus 9 is again a polynomial in y. Counter example, which is not a polynomial. Counter example means an expression which is not a polynomial. For example, अगर मैं ये लिखूं 3x raised power minus 2 plus 4x plus 1 is the power is negative. It is not a whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. दूसरी बात है, if I write 3 root t plus 5, the power will be the fraction. If you bring root t into exponential form, it will be the t raised power 1 by 2. And now your fourth is x plus 1 by x. If you take power in the numerator, plus 1 goes to minus 1. So it will not be a polynomial. Polynomials are generally denoted by p of x, g of x, q of x, or p of y, g of y, q of y. Depends upon the variable. If the variable is x, then we can denote them by this p of x, g of x, q of x. If the variables are y or other than y, suppose if the variable is t, we can write p of t or g of t, q of t. So one term is called monomial, 2 terms are called binomial, 3 trinomial. Okay, if we have generally so many terms, we call them polynomials. Poly is a Greek word. Poly means many and nomial means terms. So it means it has a many terms. If we have only one term, it is again a polynomial. It is also a polynomial. Then we have types of polynomials. Number 1, linear polynomial. For example, ax plus b is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then first term vanishes, b is equal to 0. So we say ax plus b is a linear polynomial. It is a power 1. X is power 1. Second type is quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A should not equal to 0. And your third type is x cube bx square cx plus d is not equal to 0. It's a cubic polynomial. It's a cubic polynomial. So how to solve the polynomials? Then first of all, I would like to show you the polynomials. You have to check the exercise 3.1 question number 1. You have to check whether the following are polynomials or not. And the second question is you have to find the coefficients of x square. Coefficients of x square, here the coefficient of x cube is a, x square is b, and coefficient of x is c, and constant is d. Likewise, you have to find whether the polynomials are monomial, binomial, or trinomial. These constitutes, I think, 2-3 exercises, and then we will go to find the quotient and the remainder of the polynomials in my second lesson. Okay, take the exercise first. Home task. Try to do exercise 3.1, 3.2 yourself. Home task. Home task. Okay, bye bye.